We should surprise the Americans somehow.
Ha ha ha. I bought everything from RedWolf Airsoft so they did not find any BBs or other accessories on their stocks. I bought all the ejection system guns so they will think we're using real guns. They'll be so scared. Ha ha ha. They have no idea we're using all the stuff from RedWolf Airsoft.
Yes. The batteries, the BBs, the gas, the tactical equipment, even the spirit of fair play is from RedWolf Airsoft. Loaded with RedWolf Airsoft stuff, we're gonna win all battles.
Chung ta haney va chen do noi chung toing wa jian chen thang.